everyone, Kathy here with Buffalo Check Chicks. Today I just want to come on and say hi to everyone, and I just want to thank God that we're still here in Florida and that storm didn't get us. So I know a lot of people weren't as lucky, and that was just a really bad, crazy storm. So I wanted to come on and do a quick little project. I bought this actually last year at Dollar Tree, and it was just a little sign. It just says you are meant for big things. And I was going to make a Christmas project out of it, but I decided to do a Halloween project. So I'm going to go ahead and paint the frame black, and the beads I'm going to do black and white, black and white, black and white. So I'll be back. Alright, I have my frame painted black, and I decided to do the beads all black because some of them were red and the white wasn't covering the red, so painted those black. And I have paper here that I cut out. This was from Hobby Lobby. And I cut out a size for the sign here. And I'm just going to use, I think I'm going to try this and see if this works. Sticky. It's for paper projects. So see if that works. If not, I have glue sticks somewhere. Maybe I'll do both to make sure it stays on. Okay. I just have Elmer's glue sticks. Let's see if I can get it on there straight. That would be a good thing. Alright, so I'm going to put this back in the frame. There's little clips here on the back. They just bend down like a regular picture frame. Put that in there. There's that. Go ahead and bend those metal tabs down. Okay, so far that's what we have. And I have these little ghosts that I got at Dollar Tree. And those come 8 in a package, so you can use those to make garland or different things. Now, I painted one white, and I have to wait for them to dry because I already did 2 coats on there, and it's still wet. So I'm waiting for that to dry, and I'll be right back. Alright, so my little ghost is dry. I have my sign here. And I'm going to just hot glue them in the middle. And trying to get them in the middle, center them, him or her. Actually, it's going to be a her because there's a little hole right here on top. And I went ahead and I made a cute little bow out of this ribbon. I think I got this at Dollar Tree last year. So I went ahead and made a little bow. And I'm going to put that right where that little hole is on top to cover that up. Try not to burn my fingers. Here we go. Glue strings. Alrighty. Isn't that cute? Actually, I might go ahead and write Boo across there. That would be cute. So that's my little project for today. I want to thank you all for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.